In this tutorial, we will show you how to add custom colors to change the default text color or background color in your ePortfolio. As you may have noticed, by default, the Digication platform gives you 49 colors to choose from when styling text and background colors. You're welcome to use any of these colors. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to use a custom color not found in the default palette. Let's try adding a custom color to our site. The first step is to find the hex code for the color you'd like to use. As a little background, every color on the web is represented by a 6-digit hex code. There are several ways to find a color's hex code. We use the site Adobe Color, a free color picking service, to select hex codes. Try it now. Go to color.adobe.com. There are several ways to use the Adobe Color site. Starting on the Color Wheel tab, you can use the wheel to search for your desired color. Simply slide the circles around the wheel to get the exact color you want. Below the wheel, you will see the hex code appear for each designated color. If you find a color you like, select the 6-digit code below and copy the hex code. Another way to find your desired color is by selecting from within a picture. Click on the Extract Theme tab at the top next to Color Wheel. Here, you can upload a picture that has your desired colors in it. Once uploaded, you can move the circles over the picture to reveal the 6-digit codes. If you found a color you like, select the code and copy it. Now that you have the desired hex code copied to your clipboard, the next step is to paste it in the appropriate field in your ePortfolio. We have created 2 tutorials on customizing text modules and sections. Click on the link on your screen to learn how to style a rich text module. In text modules, you can change the text color in the body and titles of the module, as well as captions underneath pictures. Click the link on your screen to learn how to customize a section background. Every page of your ePortfolio will have at least one section where you can paste in a custom hex code color. Following either of these tutorials, you'll locate the color selection palette. In the palette, you can paste your desired hex code in the field below the default colors. Be careful to remove the hashtag symbol before the code and just enter the 6 digits. You will see the color change on your ePortfolio immediately. You can repeat this process for font color, module backgrounds, and section backgrounds. Need a little more help? Visit our ePortfolio student resource site and click on Help. Connect with the team, schedule an appointment, or register for a workshop. We're here to help.